Hey, this is Axe and Smash of Demolition, and we're glad to be back here at the Earl Armstrong Arena in Ottawa, one of our favorite towns. But you know something? We got some unfinished business with two guys that we know very well.
You know, it's Paul and it's the Prophet. Like Axe says, we're back in Canada. We're in Ottawa. And we're here for one reason. Axe and Smash.